Joining together is the beginning. Thinking together is the progress. All of you working together will be the success. I hope this vision document of whatever you are planning for the next generation will take a very big beginning. This is my privilege to stand before you at the Telangana Rising Summit of 2047. You are not looking now. I would like to thank the people of Telangana and all the industries captains who have brought a Congress government back after 10 years and who have imposed confidence on the Congress leadership and Mr. Revanth Reddy and his colleagues. I would like to assure you, all of them will deliver what the global needs, what the country needs, what the people of Telangana needs. And let us all work together. So my friend, as he extended his invitation through Mr. Sridhar Babu, though I had an assembly session in Belgaum, I decided I must come today, strengthen the support. It is not only Telangana, the entire South stands with him for the progress of this country to match the world.